In this video, we will share what is procurement management
and what is a procurement management plan. Sample of procurement management plan template is at the end of this video, so make sure you don't miss it.
Please hit like and share this video on your social media accounts. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, so you won't miss out our future updates.
Let's start the video.
What is procurement management? Procurement is the process of purchasing, renting, or contracting with some suppliers to meet the requirements. The process of procurement also requires proper management to achieve optimal performance, efficiency, and return by smart sourcing, continuous improvement, and proactive management of the vendors. Managing the relationship with the suppliers and vendors will ultimately result in getting the best quality and optimization of our processes.
What is a procurement management plan?
Procurement management planning helps to handle all the processes of procurement more efficiently and effectively.
There are a number of processes involved in the management of procurement,
such as outsourcing, asking for requests, expediting the function, inspection of the product, and reconciliation of the procurement activity. However, the feasibility of partnering or purchases from vendors depends on the pros and cons of producing goods in-house.
How long the relationship is required, and on what basis are the major questions to answer. Once the decision has been made, then a trustful relationship with the vendor can be established on the basis of cost and time.
In project management, the procurement management plan defines how goods and services will be purchased, rented, or contracted for the project needs and how the vendors will be managed.
This is the sample of procurement management plan template. Thanks for watching. Wish you good luck. Please comment if you have any questions about this video.